Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 INFINITI QX50. This one's black. Underneath here it's a 3.7 V6 with 325 horsepower and 267 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke wheels, 3.7 badging on the side, black leather interior, the dark wood trim, sunroof, QX50 badging, open up the tailgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated seats. This QX50 has 40,454 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 INFINITI QX50, visit us at feldmanimports.com.